Hello everyone, Tech Reviews back, and today's video is about USB keep disconnecting and reconnecting in Windows computer. You may face this problem on Windows 10, Windows 11 or other Windows operating system. For this video we are going to see two solutions to solve this problem. So let's start from solution number one. So solution number one will be checking the power management on your device manager. So to do that, click here the search icon and go here on the top and type device manager. Here the device manager, then open it. So after the device manager open, then find for universal serial bus controller. It will be most of the time on the bottom. Then click here the arrow and you will find here different USB components, which is generic USB root hub, USB 3.0 and other. So just right click on each of them and click on the properties, then go under the power management and uncheck this, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Just uncheck this one and click here OK. Then after that, go here, find USB mass storage device, again click on it, right click on it, select properties, then go here power management, and it's already unchecked. If it is checked, just uncheck it and click here OK. Then go here for USB root hub, USB 3.0, go to the properties, click power management, and here it's also checked, just uncheck it and click here OK. And if you find another USB options, USB root hub or generic hub, just click on it and under the power management uncheck the checkbox and select OK. So after you do this, you will find human interface device, or it may be called hardware interface devices. So again, click here the arrow, click on in each of them, right click on it, then select properties, do the same, go to power management, and here it is already grayed out or unchecked, so select here OK and go for the second one, then go to properties and go to power management, it's already unchecked, then click OK. Then USB input device, right click on it, go to properties, go to again power management, it's checked, so I'm going to uncheck it, then click OK. Then go to for the second one, properties, power management, uncheck this and select OK. Then again go here for the final one, right click on it, go to properties, power management, uncheck this one and select OK. Then if you find other USB options under this human interface device or hardware interface device, just go to the properties, power management and uncheck the checkbox and click OK. Then close your device manager, and I hope it will help you to solve the disconnect and reconnecting problem. If it is continuous, then the second solution for this video will be go to your power plan. So type here under the search, edit power plan. Here edit power plan, then open it. Under the edit power plan, you will find change advanced power setting, then open that. And under that you will find USB settings, just click the plus sign here and you'll find USB selective suspender settings, then click the plus sign, and if it is enabled, click on it and disable it. Disabled, then select here apply and click OK. Then close the edit plan setting. So these are the two solutions to stop the USB disconnecting and reconnecting in your Windows computer, and I hope this video will help you. So please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech Review out.